Hi everyone. We're going to talk about culture for a digital age. In an age where the development in business activities is driven by digital technologies, choosing technology over traditional cultural values is necessary to reach company success. This video will show you the cultural shortcomings in organizations nowadays and will offer possible solutions for improving digital effectiveness. There are three digital cultural challenges: risk aversion, siloed mindsets, and a weak customer focus. These problems clearly have a negative impact on the economic performance. Many management writers talk about risk aversion in a very general way, offering overall solutions like just encourage experimentation, don't punish failure, and risk aversion within your company will decrease. But of course, there's more to it than that. Managers have to calculate risks and find the right balance. A whole new world of speculation opens up through digitalization, but risks have become greater. Nowadays, there is more transparency. For that reason, competitive advantage is less durable. A good risk management is key. How do you create a culture where people are comfortable taking risks? It all starts with the attitude from the upper management. The most important thing for them to do is to trust the front lines to make meaningful decisions. This means delegating work in order to build some confidence and trust. Self-confident employees automatically take more risks. Also empowering for workers is information itself. Providing employees with more information results in a faster and lower cost of operation. It helps them to take more small-scale risks without having to consult management for every single matter. On the other hand, senior leaders have to take bold, rapid actions at a large scale. A second reason to improve the culture are the expectations of the customer. They expect quick access to all information they need, and they also ask companies to respond to their demands. A culture where the customer is the focus, that's what will help you grow. It provides several advantages as well. Getting a closer relationship with your customer will give you a better idea what they really need by using direct input from end users. To illustrate this, let's have a look at the insurance company Progressive. They tried to convince people to install a snapshot device into their car which monitors the driving behavior. With this collected data, they're able to attract and insure the most profitable ones. This customer centricity requires diverse tools and data. Everyone recognizes the situation. You've purchased something on a web shop like Amazon, and suddenly you get a lot of ads of products you might be interested in. That's smart marketing. That being said, customer strategy must be updated regularly to keep fulfilling the customer's requirements. Employees are losing insight in the company they work for. That's why nowadays they're less likely to spot threats or opportunities. Furthermore, the organization reaches different conclusions about digital priorities because it's based on different information. Data is very important for organizations. Therefore, companies first need to examine the way they handle their information to optimize operations. In general, we could say that a customer database would be a nice way of working to create visibility and centralized access. Rotating executives inside an organization could help to counter the silos and create a better understanding between the business units. It helps to create an informal network through the entire organization. Another symptom of a siloed culture is a not my problem mindset. This can be countered by giving employees more context, which enables them to make the right decisions. They operate with multidisciplinary teams, united by their common definition of success. This model works good for IT functions, but we see that it's moving to more areas of the business, to more traditional teams and companies. All this is hard to implement, because cultural changes will always be slower than technological ones. As first critical remark, we want to point out that not all companies have the means to take many risks. One mistake could mean the end of a flourishing business. Further, we think the text is focused too much on the customer's demands. Companies who are constantly trying to satisfy their customers could risk losing their own identity. Last of all, we think that the text prioritizes integration above task specialization, even though studies have shown specialization results in more efficiency.